Howdy, y'all. This is Aaron with Stradia Partners, and today I'm going to talk about an AI agent that we've been building in Retool's new application tool. The idea behind this agent is that we need some help allocating projects to our independent contractors. The pain point that we've been facing is that we have people who are looking for work, and sometimes they're blocked on waiting for us to give them tasks. And so this can be like a timing issue. They might work different hours than us, or we may not know their capacity of what they could take on. And so the inspiration for this is that we have a task board and a to-do list for people, and we want a way to make it easier for them to claim and identify those tasks. So what we've done is set up an AI agent that can do a number of different tasks, ranging from identifying who the person is, figuring out how much time they have available, which projects are currently unstaffed, and then figuring out which projects they could do. And then additionally, maybe even messaging us in Slack if they're having trouble. So we've set up a number of tools that the agent could access here, which can do each of those individual actions. And then we're hoping that the agent will be able to pick among those tasks to do these steps. And the really cool thing, in my opinion, about these Retool agents is that they can be triggered by a chat or by an email. So we've been setting this up for an email workflow, which I'll show you after a little chat. So I'm going to show you this within a Retool application, and we can just start talking to the agent and see how it goes. And since this is in an app, the Stradia assistant will know who I am already. But in the case where this was coming from an email, then it might need to go look up that identity in our database. So I'm going to say that I have around 24 hours available. And what we should see it do is then go and collect some information about which tasks I'm currently working on and which ones are fair game for me to pick up. So there it looked up the tasks that I have, it got some information about them, and then it is now kind of identifying what's available. And so here it is kind of coming back and telling me what I have currently going on, saying that I have about 7 hours left, and giving me a list of some potential projects. And we have been, for our partners, for our contractors, have been setting up a Retool workflow to send out a check-in email every week. And so this has started off by just kind of like getting them a pulse check to say, you know, what are you working on this week? Do you need any help? And what I've done here is set this up to reply to the agent email so that we can have them interact with it directly. And then the response is this nice little email which tells them directly what's going on. So we're hoping that we'll be able to, this is already rolled out in the weekly emails, and we are hoping to use the email workflow pretty heavily. But this chat workflow could turn out to be pretty cool as well. And in the future, we're hoping to expand this then to allow the agent to then claim or I guess sort of like add these tasks that I might want to my own to-do list and take them off of the list of available ones. So there's a lot of cool opportunity here, and we are really pumped to not only use this for ourselves, but also to use this for our clients. I think there are a lot of applications where an agent could be a pretty awesome application.